what I was thinking. No, you weren't. You were just going to use say breakout room numbers. That's fine.
Okay, so room number 8 is LaDante Taylor.
8,
Room number 14 is Calvin Thomas.
14,
And room number 10 is Marty Turner.
10.
And that's for right now. Mr. Morgan is reviewing one of the other ones that's ready. So
Gotcha. All right. So I've got those. They should be coming out any moment.
All right, Mrs. Soroki, who should we start with?
you can start with if you want Deontay Taylor.
Okay.
Hello.
Is that this Calvin Thomas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think so too. I was wondering about that. That's LaDante, is that right?
Oh, LaDante
Yeah.
Taylor? Yes.
You can call Calvin Thomas if you have that file. Any of them are fine.
Okay. Okay.
Taylor.
Everyone's coming out except. Okay.
Who didn't come out?
Let's see. I just have Calvin Thomas out. LaDante, come on. And you gave me 2 other names, and I gave them all prompts to enter.
Okay, I'm gonna go in there and get them.
Thanks. Thank you so much. They're not coming out.
I don't see LaDante in here. There we go.
All right, Daniel Peters is in room 16. Madam Clerk, that was Daniel Peters, if you want to check them in.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, that's Mr. Clerk today, I'm sorry.
Peters. Thank you so much.
You got one more. You want to bring him in?
Trickling in. Yes, sir, please. Yes. Kind of trickling in on
His
us.
name,
So, okay, we got Daniel Peters.
where'd he go?
This is Polo, Puritan Polo.
Oh shit.
Hang on.
Zoom meeting. My Zoom meeting. Hold on, all right. I'm in court, bro. I'm gonna call you back.
Mr. Taylor,
Yes.
do you have video capability?
I can barely hear you. What did you say?
Do you have a camera that you can turn on?
Oh, yes. Yes, I do have a camera.
Please do.
Yes, sir.
This is ticket number U4289617. Council's names for the record.
Your Honor, good morning. Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. LaDante Taylor. Sir, can you state your name for the record?
Dante Taylor.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation to my client. At this time, he's waiving his rights, asking the court to adopt that, and we're asking all warrants be set aside.
I don't have the offer.
I could do it, Your Honor. So if there's a U ticket U4289617, it's a loudspeaker ticket. The offer on that is a delayed sentence for 90 days. The next plea are 1737694131. That's an expired license that's being amended to fail to display. And 17376943 count 2. And that's a no insurance being amended to improper plate. My client's waiving his rights. All other matters would be dismissed.
Thank you. Sir, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth?
Yes, sir.
July 14, 2017, 5:10 p.m. Eastbound McNichols, Myers, City of Detroit, County, Wayne. You exceeded the noise ordinance with the loudspeaker, is that correct?
Yes.
I would accept your plea. I will delay sentence for 90 days. If you're not involved in any other legal contact, I will make a note that this matter will be dismissed. However, I will assess you a fine of $190. On the same date, time, and place, you're offering a plea to failure to display. Is that correct?
Yes.
I will assess you a fine of $190 on that matter. Same date, time, and place, you had improper plates. Is that correct?
Yes.
The following items are hereby dismissed. SV 118-95391. SV 118-95392. SX 3577 44961. SX 537 44962. 173052711. 173052712.
Your Honor, my client does have a $600 bond posted, so we would ask that the bond be applied to the fines and costs. And does he need to return on that delayed sentence review?
Not unless he has not complied.
Thank you. Well, the fine will be paid out of the bond, so.
Sets him a fine of $595. He may apply his bond. He does not have to return unless he fails to comply.
Thank you. All right, Mr.
Maybe-
Taylor, you should come down to the court to see what reinstatement fees and things like that you owe. And make sure
Okay.
your bond is applied. Okay, thank you, Your Honor. You're all set, Mr. Taylor.
Okay, thank you so much. So I'm sorry to say this one more time. So I don't owe anything, just come down to the court and see how much my reinstatement fees are. And my bond was assessed to the
Your $600 bond should cover your fines and costs on these 3 tickets from today. But you
okay.
should come down to the court counter to make sure that they do apply your bond and that see how much you owe in reinstatement fees and other fees.
Okay, should I do that later this week? Would that be in?
Yes,
in
if you come down in a
this-
couple days, yeah.
Okay,
Friday
thank you.
sometime. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Lead us.
Who is next? Mrs. Soroki?
You can call Calvin Thomas. He's on the video.
Okay. This is ticket number SP 1315891. Names for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Calvin Thomas. Sir, can you state your name?
Yes, Calvin Thomas.
Your Honor, at this time, my client's asking that the warrant be set aside. He's entering a plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
The one is hereby recalled. What's his bench trial date, Mr. Dent?
February 8th, 23.
Say it loud.
February 8th, 2023.
Hear that, sir?
Yes, February 8th, 2023. I'll write it down right now.
Give him the time.
8:30 in the morning.
You get that, sir?
8:30, February 8th, 2023. Thank you a lot, sir.
Thank you. That's the only notice you'll get.
That's the only notice I'll get.
Right.
You-
If you lose your date, go on the court computer and look your name up.
You may leave us, sir. Ms. Soroki, who's next?
Is there anybody else out? Let's see.
Mr. Thomas, you may go.
Mr. Roque, I'm sorry, I checked in 2 more people,
Oh,
16 and 17.
okay,
Did
is
you-
this,
One of them just
17 is-
popped in and I'm not sure why he came in.
is that Mr. Townsend?
Yes, Doria
It came
Thompson
in?
should
Okay.
be in the breakout room.
All right, thank you. I'll just write this.
Oh, I'm
Mr.
sorry.
Thompson.
I didn't know. I'm sorry.
You can
Can
go
you hear
back to
me,
the
sir?
breakout room. Look at your controls, Mr. Look for breakout rooms, and then it could take yourself back to the breakout room.
And
Did you review that registration?
Oh, let me go to, you said breakout room 6, right? For me?
Correct. Yes.
Okay, I'll go down there and see what you got.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
May I approach?
Yes.
I just have my card and my cell phone in the back. I'm in contact with Mr. Burton Pierce right now. So, he was under the impression that it might not go because the city did settle on the civil suit.
Oh,
So he wasn't, but he says he will object to, he's not gonna stipulate to adjourn the hearing.
Mr. Turney.
Yes, I'm having problems with my phone.
All right, let me just get you back into the breakout room. Let me see. I had you in room 10. Let me send you a request again, Mr. Turner, okay?
Okay.
Stop touching it, Martin.
You see that, sir?
Yes.
Click on that for me.
All right.
And I apologize. I muted the courtroom when I was speaking with the last defendant. So, Mr. Clerk, if you can unmute when you get a chance, because I won't be able to hear anything. I'm unmuted. Can you all unmute the courtroom? I don't know if anyone was, I got a pop-up that said unmute. Now, oh, well, it's muted again. I heard you for a second and then it must have gotten pressed again. It's muted again. Mr. Clerk, can you unmute the courtroom, please?
Okay, now.
Can you hear us, Ms. Henry?
Yep, I can hear you now, Judge. Yep,
Thank you.
no problem.
It's going too fast. Coming off a little bit.
Why don't you put this over here so that
Here.
I don't see it. I don't see the pounds. Thank you. Mr. Turner is having some issues here.
Okay, Judge, this is the prosecutor.
10.
The people are moving to dismiss Miss Aisha Perry's count. She is at 8:35.
I'll call it. Ticket number P1363674. Aisha Perry. Ma'am, may I have your name for the record?
Aisha Gwinnell Perry.
All right, Mr. Morgan?
All right, the people moved, Stephen Morgan on behalf of the city of Detroit, the people moved to dismiss this matter, Your Honor.
Matter is hereby dismissed. You may
Thank you,
leave
Your
us.
Honor.
Thank you. You may leave us, ma'am.
Thank you.
I see Mr. Marty Turner is trying to connect to his audio. Do we need to take him to a breakout room and give him some help?
Yes, you do, because this is the third time. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
If Mr. Marty Turner can hear
Oh,
me, I am the prosecutor. Oh, there he is. He's got it now.
Yep, he's
You
got
got
it.
your audio, sir?
Yes, yes.
And we're going to give you a prompt for a breakout room. Which one do you want to give him, Miss Henry?
10. We'll put him back in 10. You
Back
see
in
that?
10?
Yeah.
I keep having problems with my connection.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Marty Turner. What time is this? Oh, I see his case is, oh, he's got a review case.
See,
He's got a review case at 8:35, I believe. Marty
Yes.
DeShane.
absolutely.
Turner.
So we need the probation. Mm,
We need probation.
Oh, we need probation. It was an open alcohol passenger. It was probably a delayed sentence.
mm.
Yeah, they say pay my court fines and fees and return back for a review.
And
And
no other tickets, right?
No, and they said if I don't get into any more trouble, it will be dismissed.
Okay, so Madam, Mr. Clerk.
All right, I'll close the probation, bro.
What have you paid in costs? Look that up. If he paid his fines and costs, we will dismiss.
Yes.
Hold on, Mr. Morgan.
Okay, thank you. Did he go to the breakout room? Yeah, I see he's in 10.
In 10?
Yeah, he's in
Yeah.
10. So if he's clean, I would think,
Yeah,
Yeah.
he has paid, Mr. Morgan.
okay, so I should bring him out in front of the judge so he can be properly dismissed.
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
Well, Wiley, let me see here. His name looks familiar. I don't know if he called in and hung up. Mr. Wiley, can you hear me? I'm not sure if it's. Mr. Clerk, can you see any where it looks like his audio is connecting? Mine's is not doing anything, just the picture and the name popped up. I know sometimes from your end, you can see where he's still connecting.
You know, I see him, but I don't know if that's a picture or.
Yeah, there's just a picture in his name. But I don't, Mr. Wiley, can you hear me? Okay, let me send,
It doesn't look like it's connected. Normally you see those,
that,
signs.
right. I didn't see anything. It just came right on and nothing. So I don't know what, okay. I just wanted to check from your end. This might be him by phone. Let's see here. Well, it's gone. And so is he. Okie dokie. All right. All right.
Where'd he go? Yeah, I talked to him. He was coming back in. Mr. Marty Turner,
Mhm.
he should have come in unless he hit the wrong button.
Mhm.
Either way, he can be dismissed.
Okay.
So I would move to dismiss for compliance.
I'll put it on the record.
Thank you, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Ticket number P13330.
That's him.
Is that him?
That is him. He's coming in now. I just admitted him.
Oh, thanks.
There he is.
Mr. Turner? Mr. Turner?
Yes. Sorry about that.
We are just closing your case. You have complied.
Okay, thank you.
You may go. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Right. This might be this person that keeps trying to. Let me bring him in. I'm looking at a phone number that ends in 7147. May I have your full name?
David Pearson.
David Pearson?
Yes.
Okay, one moment, Mr. Pearson. David Pearson.
Okay.
Okay, I see you. David Allen Pearson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One moment, sir. Let me get you signed in.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Switch my paper here. Mr. Pearson, I am going to place you in a breakout room. That's a room where you can speak with our House Counsel in a confidential setting, okay?
Okay. Thank
All
you.
right. You're welcome, sir. And you've called in by phone, so I will be doing this. I just need you to stay on the line, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Placing you in there right now.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. There we go.
I don't see any officers that have checked in this morning. Do you, Mrs. Henry?
No, we haven't had any officers.
Okay.
Mr. Morgan?
Good morning. Yes, I'm here.
Can you go into room number 9 and review the registration, please?
Okay.
Thank
Will
you.
do.
And then, so I'm pretty much already on everything but that drinking and driving because I need the write-up. So you want to do everything else that's ready, Judge?
No one's in number 9.
Oh, it was, I hope he didn't leave, Daniel Peters.
Daniel
You moved
Peters.
him to 16,
Oh.
Prosecutor Morgan. I think he might have disconnected or
Daniel
something.
Peters is there. He's in 16.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, that's him.
yeah, he was
Thank you.
he was
Okay.
originally in 9, yeah.
Okay.
You can bring some out. Ms. Soroki?
Okay, so we can bring out Kenneth Pickett in 15.
Let's see here. 15.
We can bring out room 6, Aisha Perry.
Aisha Perry is no longer in 6. We let her go, as a matter of, well, at
Oh,
least,
okay. Okay,
yeah, yeah.
so then Marty Turner in number 10. Oh, he should be
Okay.
gone. We should have.
And he should be gone. Yeah, he's gone too. That's
So
the
then
last.
David Pearson,
What room is that, Pearson?
that's one I didn't note the room on.
Oh, 18. Let me bring him out. Okay,
Um,
all right.
okay, so we got Pearson, then we got room 11, Daryl Tucker,
Okay.
Okay.
and then room 13, Jose Taylor,
Okay.
and then room 17 is Dorica Townsend. It should really be everybody but the OWI. I'm gonna put my email in the chat so the clerk has it so he can send me the write-up.
Okay.
You want to start with Mr. Pickett?
You can start with whoever, Judge.
All right.
We starting with,
He's on the screen.
You said Pickett.
Okay. Okay.
P1211187. Kenneth J. Pickett, counsel?
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Pickett, at this time I ask the warrant be set aside. Mr. Pickett, can you state your name?
Kenneth Pickett.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Pickett's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Warrant is hereby recalled. Give him his trial date.
It's gonna be February 8th, 23 at 8:35 in the morning.
Did you get that,
Your
sir?
Honor.
Yeah, February 8th, 8:35 in the morning.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes,
Okay. Is it the same number and everything?
yes,
Okay, so the same number I have that punched in to get to the Zoom meeting today, correct?
correct.
You may leave us, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You want to do Mr. Jose Taylor?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is ticket number SB 108-18503 in multiple tickets. Counsel?
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Taylor. Mr. Taylor, can you state your name?
Jose Taylor.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Taylor is continuing his plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
A not guilty plea is entered. His bench trial date.
February the 8th, 23 at 8:35 in the morning.
You get that, Mr. Taylor?
Yes, sir.
All right, mark that down. That's the only news you'll get.
Okay.
You may leave us. You may go, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, who's next?
We'll do Mrs. Townsend.
Townsend?
Yeah, I see she's in the gallery.
9 a.m. Aretha Town.
Doria Townsend. Mrs. Townsend, are you there?
Mr. Townsend is Dorier, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize. Mr. Townsend.
I'm trying to get my camera to okay, there we go.
This is ticket number P11077750. Names for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
Your name, sir?
Dorier Townsend.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to review these matters with Mr. Townsend. He's continuing his plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Not guilty plea is entered. His bench trial date.
February the 8th of 23 at 8:35 in the morning.
Did you get that, sir?
February the 8th. Correct?
Yes,
Okay.
8:35, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, that's the only notice you'll get, so put it down.
I'm writing it down as we speak.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have a good
you.
day.
You have a blessed one as well.
We'll do Mr. Tucker.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Tucker, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay, this is ticket number X3987339. Counsel,
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Daryl Tucker.
and what are we doing, Mrs. Soroki?
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Tucker's continuing his plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Clerk,
It's going to be February 8th, 23 at 8:35 in the morning.
Okay, thank you.
you may leave us, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Pearson,
Yes, sir.
this is ticket number P127379. Ms. Soroki,
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant. Sir, can you state your name, please?
David Allen Pearson.
Your Honor, regarding Mr. Pearson, he's continuing his plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right, it's going to be February 8th, 23 at 8:35. You get that?
Yes. Sir, did you get that?
No, could you repeat that again, please?
February 8th of 23 at 8:35 in the morning.
Okay, thank you very much.
very well, you may leave us, sir.
Okay, have a good day.
Thank you. Mrs. Soroki, who do you have next?
I think Mr. Pearson's done.
What happened to Mr. Jerome Thomas and Daniel Peters? Well, there, I see he's in 12. Jerome
Well,
Thomas.
one of them is the drunk driving. I'm waiting for the write-up on that drunk driving.
Yeah, well,
Your Honor, the status, I have a status on Daniel Peters. I think he is gonna have to zoom back in, but he was trying to share documentation with the prosecutor. So,
You never saw it?
no, he's sending it in. So he got disconnected. So I believe he's gonna probably be back real quick. So I'm reviewing it right now. I'm actually reviewing it now.
Someone's here. This may be him.
That's probably him.
Let's see.
That's probably him.
So I don't even see anybody else in the breakout room. Did we lose? Oh,
This
there's,
is Mr. Peters, isn't it? Daniel Peters?
appears to be on the screen.
Yes, he just brought him in, Your Honor.
What do you want to do with it? Mr. Peters?
Yes.
Your Honor, this is the prosecutor. The people moved to dismiss Mr. Peters' matter. He has one count at the top of the docket at 8:30 a.m.
All right, I will call. P 1305491, Daniel James Peters. Your motion, sir?
Stephen Morgan on behalf of the city of Detroit. The people moved to dismiss that matter.
Mr. Peters, your name for the record.
Daniel Peters.
The matter is hereby dismissed. I've granted the prosecution's motion.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You may leave us, sir.
So the only thing left is this, right, so I need that right up, so.
It's not in the file. I'm gonna call the probation department.
Oh, it's already adjudicated or not?
No, it's not in the order is not in the file. I mean, the write-up is not in the file.
No, but okay. Has he been adjudicated? I can't tell from my docket what stage it's at, so.
Mr. Roki, I'm not sure if Mr. Clerk said he had the file or not.
Yeah, I have the file, but like today it's set up for a bench trial.
Wait a minute. It's arraignment on the bench warrant today.
Arraignment on bench warrant.
You know,
Jerome
Morgan,
Anthony Thomas.
has it been adjudicated? I'm gonna look up the register of actions. Just give me a minute. So it's 346 count one. Okay, so he's already passed, he's already adjudicated. So he was scheduled for review. He got 12 months probation. I see he's scheduled for review on 6/26/2023. So yeah, we should probably call probation and see if there's something going on.
Are you looking at the same thing that she's looking at?
Yeah, because it's scheduled for a bench warrant, but he also had to pay some fees. I see a half payment. I don't see a full payment. I'll call probation.
Could you ask him, Mrs. Soroki?
He didn't, yeah. So it says a probation violated was generated. Let me just keep looking. Probation violation hearing. Notice to, oh my God, this is the longest. Payment made, show cause. This is the longest register action.
Z.
So it says, defendant represent appointed counsel. They're gonna see if he could go to drug court. And he was supposed to come back on
Yeah.
1/11/23. So he's here on the right date. So adjournment requested by court to see if he's gonna go into drug court or not. So we've probably called probation.
He had to see whether drug court accepted him.
I don't even know if they interviewed him or not.
I think I remember this case that it was adjourned so the drug court could make a determination as to whether or not he is eligible. I think Mrs. McCall was the probation officer.
So we're trying to get it right.
I guess that's what he's trying to do. I'm not sure.
Calling the probation officer.
Yeah, I don't know why the docket says it's a bench warrant. That's incorrect.
Is Miss McCall, is she the lady? PO?
I can't really tell from here. I'll look and see if I can see who it is. I can't tell who probation officer is.
Okay, you guys are. Okay. Okay. All right. Yep.
That didn't come up.
Okay. All right. That was a call. She's coming up now. She said he's on a conference call with drug court now. So they're gonna zoom in and she can come to court.
Okay, I'll have her zoom in, yeah. Yeah, I recall this case. This is Mrs. McCall's, it's the PO, and they wanted to do an assessment to see whether or not he's eligible for drug court.
Well, I'm glad you recall it, Judge.
Yeah, they,
Gives me faith in all of us.
yeah, they needed more time to do some investigation. Yeah, I see on the ROA that I did. I referred this to the drug court. And it was adjourned until today to give them a chance to do an assessment. Ms. Henry? Ms. Rocky,
There we go. I'm unmuted. I'm sorry. Judge, you called me?
go in and tell Mr. Thomas we'll be with him. I don't wanna lose him.
Okay, I'll go.
I'll do it. I can do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Attorney Soroki.
Good morning, Mrs. McCall.
Morning. How are you, Your Honor?
Fine, thank you.
Good, good.
We have Mr. Thomas back.
Okay. All right, there right now, he was talking to the case manager for drug court, and he is eligible for drug court. So the case manager is talking to him now, and she's going to zoom in.
Okay.
In a few minutes. Sure, zoom in.
We have Mrs. McCall, Mr. Soroki.
Unfortunately, I couldn't catch his attention, so I'm gonna try to bring him out. Although I don't know how he's gonna come out if he can't hit the prompt, but.
I think Mr. McCall indicates that he's being talked to by the drug court people right now. And he's gonna
Oh, okay.
He's eligible, Ms. Soroki. How are you? Happy New Year.
It's wonderful to see Miss McCall.
Yes, yes. It's wonderful to see you too, House Counsel. How are you?
I'm wonderful. I'm not excited that my client's going in drug court, but.
Mhm. He wants to. He wants
Yeah.
to.
Yeah,
He wants
hindsight, yeah, okay.
So I'm trying to help him get
Thank
himself
you.
together instead of going to jail.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
He has already pled guilty. He pled guilty
To the
before
violation on January the 4th.
He pled guilty before Judge
Oh,
Sherman.
Right, on May 26, 2022. He was on probation for 1 year. And he last appeared on January 4th, 2023, and they adjourned this case for 1 week so they could staff with Judge Holmes to make sure that he's eligible for drug treatment court.
Thank you. We did look at the register of action.
Okay,
And
no problem.
Judge Baltimore actually recalled, so
Okay,
I think we're up to pace.
thank you.
I recall because I had a long, interesting conversation.
That's
with
right,
him
that's
the
right.
Last time.
Mhm.
She said that she's gonna zoom in. Why don't you contact her? And tell her she can zoom in. That's right. Have a conversation with him. So we can get the records. That's right.
Okay, good. Tell them we can, so you can all can log in and we're ready. Okay, I'm. Bye-bye. Get ready to log in now. Get ready to log in now.
Morning, Mr. Thomas.
Hey, how are you?
All right, sir. Just hold on.
No problem.
Have a case manager coming in now.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm gonna call the matter. Ms. Harris,
Right.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna call your case.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Z808361. May I have names with everyone for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Myra McCall on behalf of the probation department.
Jerome Anthony Thomas.
Angel Harris, specialty court case manager.
Colleen Strokey, House Counsel.
Ms. Harris? you may
Yes, Your Honor.
proceed. You may proceed.
Okay, so Your Honor, I spoke with Mr. Thomas just before you called the case. He is interested in entering our program. We have scheduled an intake appointment, as well as I'm going to get him a court date scheduled for Judge Holmes on the 19th. He is eligible. I was able to speak with the prosecutor, with Judge Holmes, and the defense attorneys for the drug treatment court, and they reviewed the information I provided them and said that he would be eligible for the program if he wished to participate. And I spoke with him. He said he wanted to be a part of the program. So that is the plan at this point, as long as everybody else is on board with that.
All right, do you need anything from me?
Your Honor, I'm going to type up a minute order and I'll bring it to you so you can sign it.
Very well. Good enough. Good luck, Mr. Thomas.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So what I do, hang up?
No, listen to the case manager. I don't know what you want him to
Oh.
do, ma'am. Ms. Harris, what is?
Yes, no, he is, I mean, we've already spoken at this point. Like I said, he said he was interested in doing the program, and we scheduled our appointment to complete all of his paperwork and stuff for next week on the 18th. So all I need now is that amended order, and then I will meet with him next week and present him on the 19th to Judge Holmes for drug court, for him to be accepted into the drug court.
So for the day, I can order him he may leave, right?
Yes, Your Honor, unless he has any further questions for me about the program or anything before we end today.
You may leave, Mr. Thomas. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Harris. And Mr.
Thank
Roki.
Thank you. Take care. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Thank you. Thank you so much, Your Honor. I'll get that amended order together.
Okay. You'll do that for me
Yes,
tomorrow.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Mr. Roki, what else do you have?
Not a soul, Judge.
Okay, thank you so much. Again,
All right, you're not gonna see me again this week, just so you know.
you can't work that out?
No, they don't need very many lawyers because of the judges are gone, so I won't be working.
Pleasure working with you, Attorney Soroki.
Anytime. You guys can always call for help. All right, thank you.
All right. This is, Ms.
If
Henry,
we're, yes, sir.
get you close Zoom.
All right. Have a good day. I'll see everyone in the morning.
Oh, wait a minute, Mr. Clerk.
Oh, wait.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.